What's up, man? It's your boy Ehloh, and I'm back with another tutorial. And this time, it's gonna be going over how to use the template that I am offering. As you can see here, I have my Pro Tools session open, and well, not my session. I have the opening part of Pro Tools where you do select a template and everything. Set up right here, then pretty much what you're gonna do. You'll select your template. All right, so once we go ahead and press OK, we're gonna type in the name of our song or track or session or whatever you want to look at it like. So for this session, we're gonna be using Gunna. We're doing a Gunna tutorial. It's a Gunna Styles tutorial that I did. Let that load. And here we go. Here's the template. All right. In the template, you have a multitude of tracks. Everything's equipped. As you can see, I have my recording track. I only record on this track right here. I have my two leads where I do my chorus. I have my dub, my ad-libs, my verse, and then my dub and ad-lib for the verse as well. And then I have my side chains that correlate with each. As you can see, it's very color coordinated if you want to know anything about that. You know what I'm saying? I have my lead reverbs. I have my lead delays as well. And if you need any additional tracks, right there on the left side, I think it's approximately 9 tracks that I have hidden and inactivated. But if you need more, you can just go to the left side and, activate those tracks and make them reappear. So next, we're going to go to our render files for people who have old Pro Tools sessions that they want to bring into the template. That's the whole purpose. So next, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be bringing in all the tracks and putting them where they're supposed to go. So we're going to put the beat where it's supposed to go. We're going to put the chorus where it says the first lead. We're going to put the dub where it's supposed to go, the ad-lib, the verses or the parts for the verses, which is why I have 2, and then the ad-lib for the verse. And, following that, we're going to solo out the beat. Then we're going to go to our transport window. You can go to window, go to transport. And we're going to use the letter T and find the tempo here. Going to make sure all of that right there, all of these are cut off. And then we're going to highlight the tempo. And then we're going to play the beat and tap our tempo in with the letter T. So let's go. All right, so next what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and find our key for our Autotune. Now, Key Finder, which is at the bottom of the screen right here, I use Key Finder. It's a free plugin. You just go get it. Go on Google, type in Key Finder. And with Key Finder, all you do is you go to your folder full of render tracks, you take the beat, you drag it into Key Finder, and then you run batch analysis. All right? So, man, we're running batch analysis. It's going to take a few seconds. And as you can see, our key is D flat minor. And so what we're going to do is going to go ahead and turn the solo off our beat. We're going to turn the lead vocal on solo. And then we're going to go ahead and open our Autotune. And it's already on D flat minor because I was working. But I'll just show you as an example what it sounds like. It always starts on C chromatic. So here's an example of what it sounds like when it's on C chromatic. On a minute a year, on a minute a year. She peep on my drug, she gon' peep on my drug, she gon' peep on my drug, dripping right on my ear. All right, so clearly that didn't sound right. It didn't sound like it was on key, so we got to change it back to our D flat minor. And as you'll see, the difference in the sound immediately. Yeah, on a minute a year, on a minute a year, on a minute a year, on a minute a year. She peep on my drug, she gon' peep on my drug. Peep on my jug, dripping right on my ear. On a minute a year, on a minute a year, on a minute a year. All right, so that's pretty much all you actually need in order to use the template properly. As you can see, once we put our Autotune in, it sounded completely different. It was right on key with the beat. So now that we have our tempo in, we have our autotune or our key set for our autotune already set and prepared. You don't really have to do anything else, and that's the whole perk of this template. As you can see, I didn't do anything else. I didn't touch any effects. All I did was put the tempo in, and then I found the key using my key finder, and after that, everything's history. So I would heavily recommend getting your hand on this template. I am going to play the full little track here as much as I have. It was just a play around little freestyle track to give you an idea of what it is, that you'll be receiving if you do get this template. You can record live in here and it'll sound just the same way, so it's not too much of a difference. So here you go, I'll play it for you.
Yeah. Big sauce dripping on the motherfucker. Magic. Yeah. I'm the man of the year. 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 She gon' peep on my drug. She gon' peep on my drug. She gon' peep on my drug. Dripping right on my ear. I'm the man of the year. 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 She gon' peep on my drug. She gon' peep on my drug. She gon' peep on my drug. Dripping right on my ear. Right on my ear, man, that's a half a mil. Right out the trap, we ain't touching deals. I'm dripping sauce, Satan getting spells. Got all the costs. Gotta keep it sauce tucked in like you the one that's wearing the cost. Bitch, you know that I'm a bust. He just mad cause he can't plus. Tryna live in the palace like us. Catch the players like a mouse. Then I'm taking your shit like a Viking. Oh, yeah, she like me. Don't wanna talk about the fighting that we having going on. I love you, baby girl. There's a lot going on.
There you have it, man. That's pretty much your template for you, man. I know you're like, damn, that was pretty fast to get that sound, but that's pretty much what the template is. It starts you off, it gives you some stepping stones, and really, this is a fucking ladder, in my opinion, on quality and where you can be. I recommend independent artists getting their hands on this more than anything in the world, because your work rate will go out of this roof. You'll be able to spit out songs and not have to focus on that quality or waiting on an engineer to give you your songs back, and you're doing a million revisions, and you can play with your song as much as you want, and then look at tutorials, how to do specific things, and still not have to worry about that quality aspect of things, and you can worry about other things surrounding it. And for my engineers out there, man, if you're following the page, or you just want to boost your quality level or your clientele level, or whatever the case may be, whatever you're looking for, I can pretty much guarantee this template will take you there, man. From knowledge to quality to because not only when you get the template, you'll have my personal contact, and you'll be able to contact me whenever you want with any questions about any details, and I'll be able to help you out. So it's a win-win situation on your end, regardless. Whether it be knowledge, whether it be quality, raising the quality, or whatever the case may be. So I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate you guys, following my page, subscribing to my page, and following out my other videos as well, man. It's all love. And like I said, once again, definitely get your hands on this template. I do run deals on the template. So, and I work with, I do work with budgets, for sure, because I am an independent artist myself, but I have been doing this for a minute. So, just hit me up, man. My number's in the link in the description below. My email's in the description below. YouTube, Instagram, anything you would like to, in the description below. Thank you for watching. Once again, it's your boy Ehloh. Peace.